You are at HLH's factory.
Yes.
Welcome to prototyping C.
Now it's working now?
Yeah.
Hello. I'm happy to be
Now
at
it's working.
The factory tour was very interesting. It showed us the potential of the connection with HLH, what we can produce with the help of HLH, and gave us some ideas of things that we didn't thought about before. CPR Robotics is a startup company that develops a device that, as the name suggests, it performs CPR with robotic systems. As I said before, we are in the prototyping and testing phase, and we want to proceed to production as fast as possible.
I need you to take my videos from here.
对对 ，yes。
I will be too cold.
With HLH, we already did prototypes of plastic enclosures.
Yes.
HLH produced us the first and second version of the enclosure, and also many parts CNC machined in aluminum. We had it in a good time, the timing was good, the service was good, and the quality was good.
Can we fill the, can we take it? Fill?
Yes.
Fill the...
The motor is over there.
Okay.
I think the main challenge is to feel the actual product in your hand and to test the actual part when you need it physical and not as a computer design, or it's not a simulation, it's not analysis. We need the actual physical part as fast and in the best quality that we can get. And this is where HLH really helped us.